In a vast, unending ocean, far from the bustling shores, swam a humble herring named Herrington. Known for his inconspicuous nature, Herrington was often overlooked by the larger, more colorful fish. One day, a great storm brewed, churning the ocean's surface and driving the fish to seek shelter. As the storm raged, Herrington found himself caught in its fury. With the storm came a giant sea monster, hungry and enraged. The monster spotted Herrington, the smallest fish in sight, and chased him relentlessly. Herrington was terrified, but he had always been a thinker. As the monster closed in, he remembered the wisdom of his elders who had told tales of a hidden reef, a place safe from the storm's wrath. In a moment of desperation, Herrington made a choice. He swam against the storm, towards the unknown. The monster followed close behind. Just as hope seemed lost, Herrington found the reef. He darted between the coral, narrowly escaping the monster. The monster, in its rage, crashed into the reef and vanished, leaving Herrington safe. In the calm after the storm, Herrington realized the power of determination and the importance of seeking safety, even in the most uncertain of times. His story became a reminder to all the fish in the ocean, a testament to the strength of the humble and the power of perseverance. And so, Herrington, once a simple herring, became a beacon of hope, a symbol of courage, and a reminder that even the smallest can make the biggest impact.